Hey, this is a demo on how I would make a background on a photo. Open up your photo and then decide on the background color that you want from the palettes over here on the right color, the swatches. I'll pick the first red swatch, I'll click on it, and it comes up to the left over here on the toolbar, and it comes up as red square. Click on the red square and you'll get a pop-up box, and down at the bottom of the pop-up box will be a little box with a number by it, and I'll have a code in it. And this one is FF0000. That's the color code for this. So if you ever want to use that color again to add to this picture, you'll know it. So write that down somewhere. Then say OK, click on that. And then you need to go to the toolbar and get the magnetic lasso. And then make sure that you have it set for frequency high, like 80, and a contrast of 10%, and I got a width of 4 pixels. And then I start down at one area. I'm going to start down in the lower left over here where the blue meets the shell, and I'm going to click on the magnetic lasso, and I'm going to go all along the edge here, and you go real slow, but I'm going to go fast because I don't want to be here forever doing this. And you go real slow all around the edges, and it'll follow the edge and snap to the contrast difference between the two, and that way you'll be able to isolate your object from the background. So you do that, you go all the way around, you come back over to the other side, and you come up. When you get close, you let go, and it should snap together. If not, double click it. Now that you'll see the marching ants going all around your object, and now that's the subject, but it's selected, and I really want to put my color in the background. So I need to go up under the upper title, under select, click on select, and come down and choose inverse. Now that's inverted those two. Now actually the background's area that's selected. So now I'm going to go over and get the paint can bucket, click on the paint bucket. I'm going to drag it over and hover over the water back here, which is blue, and when I click on it, it'll put in the red. There you go, I got my background. Of course, you would take a lot more time in making your selection. And then you click off of that, and then you're done. Save it as something different. Make sure you don't save over your original picture. You should have saved a copy of this in the first place. That's how you do it. Okay.